Good morning. So I just wanted to share with you really quickly a simple recipe to make sure that you have a superfood breakfast with hardly any thinking. Some of us are on the run, some of us are just not great at preparing ourselves a good breakfast, but it doesn't only kickstart your metabolism for the day, but also sets your energy tone. So if you're finding you're getting to certain parts of the day and you're flat or you're craving sugar, it could be a really great way to see if you can regulate those cravings. So all you have to do is get a jar, put in as many rolled oats as you want, and make sure they're just submerged in a liquid. So that can be milk, soy milk, a sweet almond milk if that's what you desire. But then in the morning, you just add your fruit. I've added some honey, raspberries, blackberries, and banana. But you could add superfoods like flax seeds and chia seeds or ground nuts and just have a really high source of protein to start your day, which you might find can stop those sugar cravings in the afternoon. Let me know if you've made them before, or if you go and make them, let me know what you put in them. I'm going to add a link in the bio to a website called Hurry the Food Up. They've got some really amazing ideas of what you can add. So have fun with it. Let me know how you go. Thanks. Bye.